In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the exact same funnel that I used to take myself from the lead buying hamster wheel that ultimately led me to drown in over $15,000 of credit card debt to generating my own leads and making $20,000 to $40,000 a month in straight deposits. And to show you proof, here are screenshots right here of real bank statements and deposits, and a screenshot of my ad account so you know that I was generating these leads myself. If you don't know who I am, my name is Johnny Nitafan, and I'm a licensed life insurance agent who still sells life insurance over the phone to this day, about $40,000 to $60,000 per month without leaving my house and having to drive all over the place or even beg people to get on my Zoom, but it's completely over the phone. And I coach life insurance agents just like you implement this simple yet predictable acquisition system into their business so they don't have to worry about where their next client is coming from, and they can get to that $20,000 in profit month. Ultimately allows them to live the life of their dreams and why they got into the business in the first place, and without sacrificing friends or family. This same funnel has generated over 15,000 leads for me at an average of $4.51. That has led to over $500,000 of life insurance premiums sold over the phone in the last 10 months. And the same system that Hunter and Tyler used to go from in the field agents selling face-to-face to now making $20,000 profit per month over the phone without having to leave their house. And the same system allowed Santiago and Adam not only to be able to take full control over their acquisition system and not have to worry about where their next client is coming from, and did not physically have enough time to be able to work these leads themselves, that they had to hire other people to their team so that they could work the leads themselves. They were generating 50 to 100 high intent brand new leads that they couldn't physically work, and so other people came on board to help them with this process. These are just some of the agents who have utilized the acquisition funnel, changed their lives, work less and make more, and I'm going to break down exactly what they did to have these results and how you can have these similar results. There's three things all these agents did to be successful. So the first thing these agents did was put ads up that were hyper focused on attracting and drawing in their dream avatar, which was either an older client looking to buy a final expense policy or a younger family looking to buy some term insurance for them and their kids. They all started at $50 a day and scaled up as the leads continued to come in over and over and over again, and they made sales. This led to 20 to 30 brand new leads coming in daily, so they didn't have to worry about losing a sale or even think about where their next prospect was coming from. There were so many people funneling into their pipeline that it was overflowing. Some of them, like me, scaled past $400 per day in ad spend because at that point it was just simply math. The thought process was every $1 I put into this funnel, I get $8 to $10 back. So if I want to make $20,000 in profit, I just need to spend X amount of money to get Y result. This is how I was able to backtrack my way into making over $42,000 in just 1 month, and did it again following that month as well, just by doing this simple formula. Ultimately, this led to more freedom and peace of mind for them, not having to stress about how much money was coming in that month, but they could predict the income that would hit their bank account month in and month out. The second thing that these agents did was have a streamlined framework to take these prospects through. The framework I'm referring to is a question-based framework, which means you're not spending tons of time on building rapport, but you're getting straight to the point, providing them value, asking them why they actually want the insurance, and enrolling them into a policy. This leads to simplicity in the business, but more importantly, you're taking the client through the same framework every single time. It's customized based on their needs and their budget and what they're looking for, but ultimately able to have the same conversation day in and day out, so you become a master at this one type of conversation that leads to sales every single day. Agents also mastered objection handling on the front and back end. Like, I want to think about it. I need to talk to my daughters. Oh, they're going to pay for it. Oh, I already got it taken care of. I already have this coverage. Oh my gosh, this is too expensive. All the objections that you're getting, they were able to overcome and enroll those clients into a policy. I would encourage you right now watching the video to take every single prospect through the same question-based framework so you can lead to the desired result, which is enrolling them into a policy without getting objections on the back end, but being able to overcome them on the front end before you ever get them. And the third and final thing that all these agents did to have success in their business was having pre-booked and automated appointments every single day, so they were guaranteed conversations over and over and over again. And on top of that, having AI in conversations with them, prepping them to either call in or schedule time onto their calendar. So they're not having to chase prospects, but the prospects are actually chasing you. And these pre-booked appointments can come in two different ways. Now, the first one is after they fill out the ad, they go to your calendar and book a specific time with you so that they can have the conversation about enrolling in a policy with you. Second thing is having a text-trained AI bot scheduling appointments for you via text so that you can just, with appointments on your calendar every day, and this leads to predictability in your business. Another thing that has helped it easy for them to make 1 to 3 sales per day is having 9 to 15 question surveys filled out. Now, what these consist of is a name, beneficiary name, favorite hobby, their address, how much coverage they have, if they have coverage right now, do they have an active checking account? So you have a fully framed conversation already in your hand that they're expecting a call. And the cherry on top is having automations going out consistently to follow up with their leads to get more engagement from them so that they can have more conversation. Because even the best marketing can't fix a horrible closer. But I know you know how to close deals, so this system is gonna be exactly what you need to have that predictability that you've been looking for. And right now, you're probably making $5, $10, maybe $20,000 per month in profit buying leads, but implementing this strategy would absolutely blow up your business. So you have so many leads coming in that you're forced to start building a team and having to collect overrides because there's so much insurance being built, and you're able to have the passive income and the life that you've been looking for. It would take you to a new tax bracket. So if this was a horrible video, drop in the comments down below to not make a video like this again. Or if you got value from it, share it with a friend. Comment down below what you're going to implement into your business today so that you can start living the life that you want. And if you're a life insurance agent like me that's an action taker, finally ready to transform your business into a money printing machine, scale to the business that you've dreamed of, schedule a strategy call down below in the description box where you can ask me specific questions on how this will work for you. If the program and community makes sense, we'll get you enrolled right there on the call. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.